We'll learn how to find and correct glazing materials using a schedule in Archicad. To create a schedule, click on New Schedule. I will name it Window. In the Scheme settings, go to Criteria and add Archicad classifications as Window. Next, in the Fields section, add the following. Element type. Quantity. Nominal sill height. Nominal head height. Nominal width and height. 2D plan preview. 3D front view. Surfaces. After adding these fields, click OK. Now, open the schedule named 03 Window. We can annotate windows by clicking on Add Automatic Dimensions. In the Surfaces column, we can clearly see which materials are used in each window. For example, in the first window, the glazing is shown as blue glass, and the frame is aluminium. This helps us identify the glazing material. In this case, the requirement is clear glass, but the schedule shows blue glass. Similarly, aluminium is correctly used for the frame. So, we need to make corrections. To do this, select the window where the material is different, and view it in 3D for better understanding. Then, go to Window Selection Settings, open Model Attributes, and change the glass material to clear glass. The schedule will automatically update and count all windows of the same type in the list. For example, if another window has aluminium as the frame but tinted glass instead of clear glass, we can correct it in the same way. This process can be repeated for other windows as well. By using schedules in Archicad, we can easily find mistakes, detect errors, and correct materials efficiently.